However, there's one other type that people don't know about, right? Which is a question of price matching. Do you guys know price matching? So there's another thing which we call price matching. Okay, so that's like if the same thing is being sold in two different shops, right? One is cheaper than the other. You can ask them to reduce the price to the same as someone else. Right? Now, how do you say this? Well, Tom, for your example, let's say the air conditioner, right? Imagine if you got the same air conditioner in two different shops. You can easily say something like this, right? I saw the same air conditioner, right, for $500, right? So, for example, $500, right, at another shop, maybe JB Hi-Fi or something like that. Right? Can you match that price? Right? So this is the main question. Can you match that price? Okay, so if the same product is being sold in two places, one is cheaper, you can ask the more expensive place to try to match it. And once again, most of the big shops will actually be happy to do that. Right? Again, something that you might not know. Right? And of course, if you're being sneaky, you can lie about it and maybe not do it as well. Yeah. Okay, now the third situation, right? One other situation is just what I would say is called probably checking for discounts, right? So if you go to like a supermarket but you don't know what the specials are, you can always just directly ask, right? So for example, you might ask a question like, what specials do you have this week, right? Or which items are discounted this week, right? You might also say things like very specific. For example, recently in America and in Australia, we just celebrated Black Friday, which is a big shopping day, right? So you might say something like, do you have any Black Friday specials, right? Or do you have any Christmas specials? These days, there's so many different shopping holidays that it's a good idea just to make a bit of a calendar of all the different dates, and you can probably get very, very big discounts for all of these types of things, right? There's also some special situations, like for example, do you have a student discount, right? Or do you have a pensioner discount? So if you just happen to be a student or something like that, quite often there's a lot of places where you can get discounts. So at bookshops, usually, at movies and stuff like that, you can usually get quite a few dollars off.